Ciao a tutti, welcome to my channel. This is Learn with FraN. I'm FraN, and today we're gonna learn Italian. Our first lesson is gonna be about the alphabet and the pronunciation. So, if you're ready and you wanna learn something about it, let's go to the video. Our lessons are gonna take place on the screen, so I can write everything I'm teaching you, but you can see me in the bottom right corner of your screen. So, first thing we're going to start today is the alphabet. Alfabeto is how you say that in Italian. So, the Italian alphabet has 21 letters, and then we have the 5 foreign letters that we add to them. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Z. So these are, to them we add the one where we called foreign letters, which are J, K, W, X, Y. They're not part of the Italian alphabet because original Italian words don't have these letters, but as the Italian language uses a lot of foreign languages, as every other language does, we had to insert these letters in our alphabet as well. If you want to say the alphabet in the complete form, you just put the letters exactly where they are in the English alphabet. So it would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Basically all the letters get pronounced always in the same way, apart from few exceptions, which are letter C, letter G, and letter S, and L when they are with those other letters. So basically you just pronounce the letter as you see. For example, pane, which means bread, it just gets pronounced P, A, N, E. Okay? So these are the vowels, which in Italians are called vocali, vocali, or we can have tavolo. Tavolo means table. Tavolo, this one. Muro, muro. Muro means wall. A word which can be a tiny bit harder because it has two vowels one after the other, which is sedia. There's nothing weird about them, you just pronounce the two vowels one after the other as they come. So, sedia, sedia. That means chair. Porta. Here we have two consonants, one after the other, even there, nothing different, so porta. Porta is door. Or we can have this one. It's a bit longer, but just follow the rules. So, finestra. Finestra. Finestra means window. Something that might create some problems for people who are not used to the use of this thing is when you found a word with doubles. So let's say mamma. You see that we have the same consonant repeated twice. So mamma. we have two M's. The sound doesn't change, it just gets pronounced a bit stronger. Mamma means mom. Another word with a double could be palla, palla. You see, we have two L's, one after the other. We just say palla. We just say that L, we pronounce that L pretty strong. Palla means ball. On the other side, if you have this word, which is exactly the same, but we only have two, instead of pronounce palla, we should read this pala. You see the L is just slightly pronounced, so it's pala. While the first one is palla. So palla, pala. So another example could be this one, sasso, sasso. Sasso means rock. Oh, I forgot. Pala means shovel. Okay. If there was one S, it would be saso, which in this case doesn't mean anything. It's not saso, but it's sasso. So double S. Okay. One thing that you can notice is that if we add a double, like two consonants, which are the same, we will always have only two consonants and the vowel just before and right after it. While if we have different consonants, as in finestra, we can find three consonants altogether. Okay, that's it for today. I will just give you a little exercise. Exercise in Italian is said, we read it together. So it's said esercizio. And I will just give you a couple of words that you should try to read by yourself. So this is it. I will put this file under the video so you can download it if you want, and I'll read them to you during our next video so you can check your pronunciation and see if everything is right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you like the video, remember to put a thumb up and subscribe to the channel, clicking on the button down below if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye. Ciao.